Hey there, business witches. Welcome back to the Spell Circle. It's Cheryl here, head business witch at the Business Witch Academy, and I have a question for you. What's the weirdest, I guess this is my job now, moment you've had in your business? Because I got to tell you, this month I became an expert in Texas title insurance tax prorations. Don't ask, it just happened twice. But honestly, that's what business looks like when you're in it for real, not from the stage, not from the highlight reels, but behind the scenes, in the chaos, in the inbox, in the wait, how did I end up doing this today? Moments. Let's be real. Entrepreneurship isn't tidy, it's not linear, it's not niche down or pick one thing and stick with it forever. Sometimes your week looks like mine. Teaching a workshop on how to launch a Substack that actually earns money. And yes, the replay is available if you missed it. Designing merch for two totally different brands, ghostwriting someone's deeply personal healing journey, advising a tech startup on growth strategy, becoming the go to expert for real estate title logistics in Texas. Oh, and making space for sanity, strategy, client deliverables, and family. It's not chaos, it's capacity. I don't just do one thing, I solve problems. I'm the Swiss Army knife in your business drawer. And when you're up against a wall, I'm the person you call. One of the most meaningful things that I did this month was ghostwriting. Now, I've been writing professionally for 25 years. Ad copy, web content, technical manuals, speeches, you name it. But this latest project was different. I had the honor of ghostwriting a transformational story for a woman who's walked through illness, grief, and radical self reclamation. Helping her shape that story, helping her feel seen through her own words, that's the real magic. That's the moment the work becomes the spell. Powerful, resonant, healing. If you've got a story, but the writing part just isn't flowing, let's talk. You don't have to do this alone. I offer ghostwriting for ebooks and personal journeys. And if you've got a full length memoir in the works, I highly recommend Maggie Mills. She's the best. Now, if you missed my Launch Systems Activated workshop, no worries. The replay is ready and waiting. I walk you through how to launch, grow, and monetize your Substack without tech tantrums or burnout. We go deep into setting up your Substack the right way, building branded, beautiful newsletters, writing emails that people actually want to open and remember came from you, and how to stop duct taping 5 different tools together when you can use one that works. That replay is available now, so go grab it from the Business Witch Academy store. Links in the show notes. And speaking of tools and systems, broadcasting from the mothership is my next workshop. That's happening on July 8th at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. This one is all about sales funnels, or more accurately, how to turn your marketing chaos into an actual conversion journey. You'll learn what the hell sales funnels actually are, no fluff, how customer journeys and funnels work together, why you probably don't need more content, but you do need better structure, and then how to use my one of a kind customer journey building tool to create that structure and map a real path from who are you to take my money. You'll walk away with a visual map of your own funnel and a ton of clarity on what to do next. And it's only 3 hours. No gatekeeping, just high impact strategy and actionable tools. So save your seat now. It's live on Zoom, and you get that tool for free when you register. Now, before I sign off, just a quick reminder. The best part about entrepreneurship isn't having a fixed path. It's designing one that fits you. And sometimes it looks messy, sometimes it's magical, sometimes it's spreadsheets, ghostwriting, merch design, and crying into your coffee at 7 a.m. on a Tuesday. And that's okay. That's real. It's where the good stuff lives. So keep going, keep building. And if you need a guide, a ghostwriter, a funnel queen, or just someone who understands that business doesn't come with an instruction manual, I'm here. This is the Business Witchery, and you're exactly where you need to be. Until next time, stay curious, stay powerful, Keep dreaming.